I am absolutely wiped today. My brain is officially fried.
I can see that. You look like you've been staring at spreadsheets for a decade. Are you holding up okay?
Honestly, I'm struggling. I just need to step away from my desk for a bit. A change of scenery is mandatory.
I'm right there with you. I've been on back-to-back calls since 8 a.m. I'm desperate for a breather. How about we grab a drink?
A drink sounds like heaven. What were you thinking?
I'm definitely leaning towards coffee. How about you?
Same. I need a serious caffeine jolt to survive the afternoon. It's the only thing that keeps me moving.
It's basically liquid gold. Let's head to a coffee shop.
Do you have a specific spot in mind around the office?
Actually, there's a charming little place just a block away. It's incredibly convenient.
No way. I had no idea there was a shop that close to the building.
Yeah, it just launched a few weeks ago. I've popped in a couple of times. It's great.
That's perfect. Let's do it.
Just give me a second to hit send on this proposal.
Take your time. I'll grab my coat and my keys.
All set. Ready when you are. Let's go find some fuel.
I'm actually really looking forward to this. I love exploring new cafes.
Me too. A solid espresso can turn a bad day around instantly.
Preach. Let's move.
And here we are. This is the place.
Wow, it's quite stylish. The storefront looks very inviting.
The interior is even better. Let's head inside.
Oh, I love the vibe in here. It's so warm and rustic. And that aroma. That's the smell of happiness right there.
Nothing beats the scent of freshly roasted beans. It's such a beautiful space, isn't it?
Definitely. The wooden tables are a nice touch, and those armchairs look like you could fall asleep in them. Plus, that marble counter is spotless.
It's a very polished setup. I love how you can see the baristas working. Look at that display. The pastries and wraps look top tier.
They really do. My mouth is already watering. It's surprisingly busy for a Monday.
It's gained a lot of fans quickly. It's easy to see why. The atmosphere is so chill. I'm digging the indie playlist too.
It's very soothing. Exactly what I needed to decompress. Let's snag a seat. How about that spot over there? The one by the window.
Perfect choice. I'm a sucker for natural light.
All right, let's settle in. These chairs are surprisingly ergonomic.
And the table isn't sticky, which is always a win. I'm already a fan of this place. Where's the menu?
It's right here, tucked into the stand.
Nice, let's see what they've got. What's calling your name?
I'm browsing. There are a ton of options here.
They really have a wide variety. Plenty of coffee blends and a solid tea selection if you're into that. They have all the classics, flat whites, macchiatos, and Americanos.
I might go for a flat white. Remind me, how does that differ from a standard latte?
A flat white is usually smaller with a higher ratio of coffee to milk, so it's a bit stronger and silkier.
That sounds right up my alley. I want the milk, but I still want to taste the roast.
They also have a whole section for cold brews and iced teas.
Nice. Are you going for a hot or a cold beverage?
I'm a creature of habit. I almost always go for a hot brew. I love the ritual of a steaming cup.
I usually agree, but it's actually quite sunny today. I think I'm going to pivot to something iced.
Fair enough. So, an iced drink for you?
Yeah, let's go with an iced flat white. That sounds refreshing.
Great. Do you take yours with any sweeteners or cream?
No, I'm good. I prefer the natural flavor of the beans. Just straight espresso and milk.
You're a purist. I can't do that. I need a little bit of honey or sugar to take the edge off.
To each their own. Some like it bold, some like it mellow.
True. So, one hot black coffee for me and one iced flat white for you. Should we check out the food? My stomach is starting to growl.
Definitely. Are you feeling hungry, Mark?
Honestly, I'm starving. I skipped breakfast and barely had time for a snack at noon.
Same here. My lunch was basically a granola bar. Let's get some real food.
Good call. Let's see. They have cheesecake, turkey paninis, chocolate chip cookies, blueberry muffins, and sourdough toast.
That's a solid lineup. Everything looks artisanal. I want to try it all. Look at that. The lemon tart looks incredible in the photo.
Oh, wow. You aren't kidding. That looks rich.
I'm going for it. I need a sugar rush. It looks so vibrant and fresh.
I think I'll grab a panini. I'm looking for something more substantial since I'm so hungry. The bread looks like it was baked this morning.
The crust looks perfectly crunchy.
I'll stick with the panini. Do you think we should split a cookie?
They look tempting, but the panini will probably fill me up.
What about a muffin?
Maybe next time. I don't want to overindulge and then fall asleep back at my desk.
Good point. So the tart for you and the panini for me?
Exactly. And the drinks. Let's go place the order.
Sit tight, I'll handle it. I'll go up to the counter and take care of both of us.
Are you sure? That's really generous of you, Sarah.
Don't mention it. I'll be back in a flash.
Welcome. What can I get started for you today?
Hi. Can I get an iced flat white, please?
You got it. What size for the iced flat white?
Let's go with a medium.
Medium iced flat white. Any syrup or extra toppings?
No, just standard, thanks.
Perfect. Anything else for you?
Yes, I also need a hot drip coffee. Medium size.
Sure thing. Room for cream or sugar?
No, thank you. Just keep it black.
Got it. One medium iced flat white and one medium black coffee. Will there be any food today?
Yes, please. I'd like the turkey panini.
Excellent. And one more thing.
We'll also take a slice of that lemon tart.
Great choice. Those are flying out of the kitchen today. So, to recap, one iced flat white, one black coffee, one panini, and one tart.
That's it.
Will that be staying here or to go?
We're dining in. We're at the window table.
Wonderful. That will be $14.75.
Here's my card.
Thank you. I'll get your receipt. Oh, you don't need it? No problem. Just head back to your seat and we'll bring it right out to you.
Thanks so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
Oh, look, the cavalry has arrived. Finally, I'm ready to dive in.
Me too. I have to test this coffee first.
Careful, it's probably scorching.
Good looking out. Let me just take a tiny sip.
Verdict?
Mmm. It's steaming hot and the aroma is fantastic.
Is the flavor there?
It's incredible. It's got that deep, smoky flavor I love. I really appreciate a strong roast.
That's awesome. My turn for the iced flat white.
How is it?
Oh, that is so crisp and smooth. It's exactly what I needed. The temperature is perfect for a pick-me-up.
Is the balance right?
Definitely. It's creamy, but the espresso still cuts through. It's not watered down at all.
I'm glad it hit the spot. Now for this lemon tart.
Oh man, let me know the status of that.
Wow, this is phenomenal. It's incredibly zesty and the crust is buttery.
It looks divine. I'm definitely going to need a bite. How's the panini looking?
Let's find out. Mmm, this is so fresh. The turkey is seasoned well and the bread has a great crunch.
That sounds like a winner. Is it as good as it looks?
Better. Honestly, I'm impressed. Want to swap a bite?
Absolutely. Let me try a piece of that. Mmm, you weren't kidding about the bread. That's top notch.
Right? Can I have a small taste of your tart?
Go for it. Help yourself.
Mmm, that's so bright and flavorful. It's amazing.
I know, right? I'm genuinely surprised by how high the quality is here. Everything is a hit.
I totally agree. The coffee is artisanal, the food is fresh, and the vibe is just right. This was a stellar idea. I'm so happy we took this break.
I feel like a new person.
Me too. That flat white and panini really revived me.
My black coffee was bold and hot, just the way I like it.
And my iced drink was so refreshing.
That tart was the perfect sweet finish, too.
And the panini was so satisfying. I really like the energy in this cafe. The food is great and the drinks are even better.
Couldn't agree more. Plus, the furniture is comfortable, and the prices are reasonable for the quality. The service is fast, too.
Yes, the staff are super friendly. I'm definitely coming back.
Let's make it a regular thing. This is officially my new go-to. Let's do this again. Maybe next Wednesday?
Wednesday works for me. Next time, I think I'll try a macchiato. They have a lot of foam, right?
Usually, yes. And I think I'll try an espresso shot next time. I want to see how their base roast holds up.
An espresso will definitely wake you up.
And we have to try those blueberry muffins next time. They looked giant.
Yes. And the chocolate chip cookies were calling my name. Plus, I want to explore that tea list.
There's clearly a lot of ground to cover. We'll have to come back often.
That's a plan I can get behind. I love a good coffee break. It makes the day so much better.
It really does. It's the highlight of my afternoon.
All right, duty calls. We should probably get back to the grind.
You're right, unfortunately. I could honestly sit here for another hour.
Me too, but those emails aren't going to answer themselves. Let's head out.
Lead the way, but let's promise to come back soon.
Count on it. See you here next week.
Sounds like a plan. All right, back to the office.
Back to reality.